Alright, so after installation of Anaconda, let's see how Anaconda works. To start Anaconda, you have to come to Windows Startup prompt, and where you have to search for Anaconda Navigator. As soon as you write Anaconda Navigator, you will see this icon with green donut. You just need to click it. As soon as you click it, automatically Anaconda is going to get launched. Okay, it is going to take little while to start Anaconda on your machine, because it is going to load lot of applications and lot of interfaces are there. So they all will be launched in a package with Anaconda. Once they are launched, you can start look at this kind of icon. Just if you click this icon, yeah, so just if you click this icon, you can ignore this message. Okay, and after you ignore this message, you will see this interface. Now on this interface, as we are going to predominantly use JuPyter Notebook for our Python coding, so we have to look at JuPyter Notebook, although you will be having different applications available, right? So if you want to use JuPyter Notebook, so you just need to click launch on JuPyter Notebook. The moment you click launch on JuPyter Notebook will be launched on one of your internet browser. So whatever be your default internet browser, on that your JuPyter Notebook will be launched. For example, I am using Google Chrome. So in Google Chrome, this JuPyter Notebook will be launched automatically, as you can see here. Alright, so how to use this JuPyter Notebook now, that is something we will look in the next discussion. Thank you.